guys, I'm Julia Carter, makeup artist here at Cosmetify today. I'm going to show you how to contour. Contour has been around for decades and a lot of my celebrity clients always request it. The reason being it's the use of light and shade together, which basically gives you a beautiful sculptured high cheekbone. Now I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do a contour with just 3 products. First up, I'm going to use Black Up. This is a contour stick. Secondly, I'm going to use Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat in shade number 7 for the highlight. And then I'm going to use Glow Mon Amour. It's a luminizer by L'Oreal. The 3 together work in synergy, light, dark, and a dewy radiant glow on top. Here goes. So first of all, you can see there's a highlight here, which is very subtle. The contour line is there. I've contoured beneath and highlighted in between. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on the other side. For a perfect contour, you want to find the right areas to apply the dark and the light. If you look at lovely Jade here, you can see that she's got a natural shadow running under here, and above is where the light catches it naturally, and that's where you will highlight. I'm going to start off with the darker area and exaggerate that, and that's where I'm going to use the contour. I'm just building up the contour on a stipple brush and applying it up towards the ear, just dabbing it along. Now, before it's blended, you can see what I've created. I'm going to create another line underneath the jawline and another line around the temple. One down the side of the nose to slim the nose down, a little bit across the chin and the tip of the nose. Now, what you need to do is start buffing and blending. In circular motions, work up towards the hairline and towards the top of the ear. I'm buffing along the jawline, and now you can see that it's completely seamless and gone. Same applies with the cheekbone. Just keep buffing in circular motions. A continuation from up the nose, you can also take it right into the brow. And this is going to give the illusion of a bigger, wider eye. And it's going to also slim down the nose as well. Now for the highlight, I'm going to use Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat number 7. It's a highlighter pen, and I'm going to apply it on top of the contour. Place exactly where you want to bring out the light. I've created the contour along here, so I'm going to place the pen across here and highlight there. I'm going to highlight where the brow bone is. I'm also going to highlight down the centre of the nose. I'm going to highlight up the top of the nose, here, on the Cupid's bow and on the chin. Now it's time to blend in the highlights. I'm going to use the Real Techniques Mini Miracle Sponge. So start off underneath the contour and blend away in little light tapping motions up once again towards the ear. Start along the cheekbone and work up towards the hairline in light tapping motions. You can also use your finger if you prefer, and just keep tapping for the product to melt away. I'm tapping underneath the brow bone now to bring light to the eyes and to give the illusion of a higher looking eyebrow and a higher looking cheekbone. I'm tapping along the Cupid's bow, along the chin, and blend away until it's seamless. All you really want to do is create some light up the bridge of the nose, and into the forehead. Now it's given you a beautiful, subtle illusion of light. So these are the key points where you need to highlight. So once again, top of the cheekbone, below the contour, underneath the hollow of the cheek, forehead, Cupid's bow, and around the chin. The real secret to contouring is that you're really not meant to see where the lines begin and where the lines end. You're meant to have a contrast between light and shade, but it's meant to be extremely subtle and blendable. So you can't really see where the line is. True contouring is about blendability, and for you to be able to wear it in any light. And this is especially designed for somebody to wear this in the daytime. So this is a subtle variation of a modern day contour. It's not about those harsh lines anymore, that's very dated and out of fashion. It's about creating a nice sculptured feel to the face to give you the illusion of a higher looking cheekbone without anyone noticing that you've got a load of contour there. Now I'm going to apply the glow drops up the centre of the nose to highlight, and just a tiny amount here on the forehead, on top of the cheekbone. Now I'm going to blend with my finger and just using very light patting motions to melt the product into the skin. This is going to give the skin a gorgeous, radiant, dewy glow. You can also apply a little bit on the tip of the nose, on the Cupid's bow, and on the brow bone. And this is going to give you a very, very subtle, natural, dewy radiance to the skin, and a three-dimensional feel. You can see it's just given added light across here, and it's working in synergy with the contour, and together you've got light and shade.